In today's video, I will walk you through how to build a long straddle option strategy on Deribit. To build a long straddle, you need to buy both a call option and a put option for the same underlying asset, using the exact same strike price and the exact same expiration date. Start by selecting an expiration date. A long straddle loses value over time if the market stays still, so choose an expiration that falls just after the market event you want to capture. Go to the Options tab and select your preferred asset, either BTC or ETH. On the expiration timeline, choose the date that comes immediately after your anticipated market catalyst. Next, identify the at-the-money strike. In the option matrix, look at the center strike column and find the strike price that is closest to the current market price. For example, if Bitcoin is trading at $90,050, select the $90,000 strike. Once you have the correct strike, it's time to buy the first leg of the strategy. On the left side of your selected strike, which is the calls section, click the ask price. In the order entry ticket, make sure the order type is set to limit. Enter the quantity you want to purchase, such as one contract. If you want to ensure maker fees, check the post-only option. If you need to enter immediately before a fast market move, leave post-only unchecked. When everything is set, click buy. Now purchase the second leg. Stay on the exact same strike row and move to the right side, which is the puts section. Click the ask price. Again, set the order type to limit. Enter the exact same quantity you used for the call option. Both legs should use identical quantities. If the quantities are different, the position becomes biased toward one market direction instead of remaining balanced. After confirming the quantity, click buy. If the market remains flat and settles exactly at your strike price when the options expire, both options expire worthless. In that situation, your maximum loss is limited to the total premium you paid to open both contracts, and you cannot lose more than that amount. Thank you for watching.